Okay, next one up. This is a new client with his recently purchased BMW F800R. Not too bad a shape. It belonged to a policeman. This was his second bike, but I believe it lived outside, so it's got a bit of rust here and there. Things like the banjo bolts. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets on this, which will include correcting any of those rusty bits and pieces. You can see all the disc bolts. Once we get this all clean, we will then treat it to a good misting of the XCP corrosion protection, just to neutralize any corrosion that's on there and prevent any further. We'll get all that exhaust all minted up. I've just taken the belly pan off so we can get access to the front of this exhaust. It's pretty manky. We'll get all that polished up like new. Like I said, we will then polish it. We use the white diamond metal polish, which does leave a protective coating, so should keep that looking pretty good for the years to come. We'll do a little machine polishing on this bodywork. It's got a couple of imperfections. Get this windscreen all polished up. Just the usual bits and pieces. Get it looking like it should. And like I said, more than anything, get some protection on it. This is one of our full Monty valets, so give me a couple of hours. I'll have this thing looking like it just rolled out of the showroom. There you go, 2 hours and 15 minutes on the dot. This BMW F800 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full Monty valets, which includes the XCP corrosion protection. Quite a few little nuts and bolts needed touching up on this as it's been sitting outside. So all your sprocket nuts have all been attended to. All the disc bolts, look at that, they've come up as new. Everything's been misted with XCP corrosion protection afterwards. Extra XCP brushed onto the banjo bolts, all down the front of the motor. I just did a single stage polish on all the bodywork. Look at the gloss on that. All done, 2 hours, 15 minutes. Get yours booked in now. Winter is on its way. 07966 249 963.